how much money have I got in my building society account? Hello B2B fans, and here I am in the city centre outside a building society. So you joined me last time when I was outside a bank. Today I'm outside a building society, and my students will know that this is an exciting time for me because I opened a regular savings account with this building society a while back, and I've not been in since I opened it. So I'm going to find out today, for basically over a year, how much money have I actually got in this account in my little passbook here. So I'm going to get my passbook updated for the first time in, well, since I opened the account. So I'm going to find out how much money is in the hive. However, let's link a bit of business into this. Now, building societies, unlike banks, are owned by the members. So everybody like me, I'm a member. I actually own a little bit of that building society. So they make a profit and then they share that profit with the members. So I get a reward every single year. There's like a bonus that they share with me. That's different to a bank member because it's owned by the shareholders. Another difference is, as I just showed you there, building societies have one of these, a passbook. Whereas if you go in a bank, you tend to have debit cards, so you can go into the hole in the wall. There isn't one in this place here. You've got to get your money out, you have to go into the branch to get your money out. Another difference is the location. You won't find all these all over the place. You tend to have to go into the areas where they've got them, and they are sort of regionalised. But one of the other benefits of these is they tend to offer better rates. So lots of people open accounts with building societies because the interest rates are more favourable on savings accounts, and they're more favourable when it comes to lending money. So that's why people choose building societies. Now here's the exciting point. I'm about to go in and find out how much money have I got in my building society account. Well, I believe that's what they call an epic fail. I actually got to the building society, went to go inside, and I find out because of COVID they were operating limited hours and they're not open at the moment. So I've been unable to update my passbook, which is a bit of a disappointment. However, never mind, I'll come back another day and try and have my exciting moment. Feel like a bit of a letdown really, but you know what, I'll just go in the bank now and see what accounts they've got in the bank, hopefully to try and maximise my savings, because at the moment, as probably everybody's aware, interest rates are not very good. So if you're a saver, you're probably going to want to try and get a better deal. If you're a spender, well, a great time to obviously borrow money at the moment when interest rates are really low. Of course, you've got to weigh that up against your consumer confidence and if you feel you're going to have a job at the end of it all. All interesting, all exciting things to look at and consider. We're not going to say now to everybody, while I go to the bank, enjoy yourself and keep buzzing.